We'll do a mockumentary on Speedwell Cavern.
Oh, we could do a proper mockumentary.
I pretty much own the place, so...
No, you don't. Well, this is where the helmets are kept. Helmet stack. The shop is in there. There's people in there.
So this is the part that... Have I got chocolate around my mouth?
No.
Okay. Welcome to the documentary. Like I said, I pretty much own the place, so I'm going to take you around the shop. Okay, follow me. This is the stable.
Yeah. Whilst you're here as well, do you need any more masks or anything? I've had a delivery of them today, that's all.
We call this the spit mug. Is that egg in there? That egg. Josh actually laid that egg. Can you confirm that Josh laid an egg the other day?
Who?
Josh laid an egg and it's in the display cabinet over there.
Yeah.
It's true, isn't it?
And we sell them now
We sell Josh's eggs.
for the reasonable price of £5 with a stand.
£5 with a stand.
But it says they're marble.
Yeah, Jack is a marble.
Woo! I haven't opened it. I waited. So let's see.
You said, is he veggie or anything? Oh, no. Don't think so.
No, I'm not.
Well, she just said,
That's interesting.
she said I can get you two of them. And I'd say this is probably the best thing for £1, but not everybody likes them. Is it tipping?
Turkish delight then?
I don't know.
Well, it looks like a tea cake.
Looks like it came out of Josh.
It's tea cake.
Has it got a biscuit in it?
It's tea cake, yeah.
Oh, that looks nice to be fair.
Oh, they are really nice.
Is it worth £1?
Yeah.
Where are these for £1? I just asked her for the best thing for £1.
Time to do some work. So it's a notable crash against the sides of the walls. It will make a horrible bang, but there is no need to worry, as this boat is made from the exact same steel as the Titanic.
Wow. Didn't the Titanic crash?
Yes,
And I apologise for the view you're about to witness, but I'll show you what we have to do. And this is quite literally called legging it. Quickest way in and out without a motor. That's its only benefit. Plenty of cons, such as falling in, back pain. All you guys can see is a talking derriere. And you're rather lucky that I didn't have curry last night. Otherwise this would be the devil's arse. Over hundreds of thousands of years, this has slowly been eroded away. With all that dead rock, they chucked 40,000 tons of the stuff down here. So, basically, at the end of the day, I got off lucky. I only did 2 tours. I helped out in the shop and fix the charger. I'm going to go down and help Matt charge.
boy, am I glad to see you. Oh, like I saw a ghost.
Oh, you saw a ghost? Ghost?
Like if you're there and I'm here, then that means.
Oh, thanks. Right, pass
Maybe a
me.
bit late, yeah.
Pass me charging cable. Come on, hand her over.
I'm trying. Ready?
Oh, I need that bit.
Ready?
Hey,
Lasso.
that was a shit lasso.
You trying to lasso with a big heavy cable.
God, you can do it so well.
You what?
You can do it so well.
You what?
What do you mean, what?
That's my normal voice.
Shut the fuck up. Uh-oh, Maggie. They're satisfying. Right, it's time to make our way up the stairs and then go to the Devil's Arse.
I know, we're bloody late.
Devil's Arse.
Right here.
It's right here. Oh. Why would you do that?
Because I'm Batman.
The angle is so good.
Right on the nose.
Wait, it's really like fish lens.
Working at Speedwell.
Where's this song come from that you...
21 people on a boat.
Carry on singing.
I got no more words. I started doing it the first year I worked.
The tour goes through there, and then this is the Devil's Staircase. That's where the slide is. And we're going to go through here, through the 5 arches, and then here where Books and Water Sump is. And let's go.
Quite a long way, isn't it?
Look,
Have you not been down it?
look.
Oh yeah, I've been down it loads.
That's a Speedwell boat that they nicked.
They found it in Speedwell.
It's a Speedwell boat. Yeah.
Yeah, when the canal was dredged for the first time in years, and they found
Go
it.
on.
It's the fake one.
Do it.
But they did use the same kind of...
Do it, buff man. Ah. Yeah. Strong man, Bart.
Bet this is lower than you remember it, Matt.
Look, yeah, last time I came out, I was about 2 foot tall, so...
Can't Josh's house.
Right, yeah,
And you used to have to go through that hole there and go.
trust me.
This, you'll see the same markings in this as there is in Speedwell. Just this section was blown out between Victoria and Bart.
Oh, wow. Oh, yeah, no, I remember that. I remember getting told that. This is where I came to the film set. It had like all these cool lights.
Yeah.
Yeah, they have like...
There's the Great Chamber. Bye bye, Barty boy. The high-vis jacket's quite entertaining. Just disappearing off. You got a wet bum now.
Same.
Same.
For no reason.
Let's talk about the Devil's Arse.
Hey!
Hey!
This is so heckin' cold!
Sound like an old lady.
Yeah, he did sound like an old lady.
So heckin' cold!
That was the weirdest jump I have ever seen. You just...
You're like a little ballerina.
Oh yeah, you got to do the thing on the edge.
Oh yeah. Whoa. Tomb Raider, ready? I'm going to read out Tomb Raider right now.
No, just turn your lights off and just...
Does it ever get dark down here at night time?
Which one? Where?
Oh my goodness. Well, yeah.
Where is it?
You've now muckied up the water. Right. Oh, we're all doing it now.
Oh! That's adorable. Wow, you're...
I can't see.
Wait, hold on, that does not look stable.
That's just the mud, isn't it?
Simba.
Simba.
You know in Indiana Jones when the boulder comes running down?
I think we're really fucked.
That's what he says.
Why is the ground so soft?
Being myself.
You've given me a hole, I'm going to stick my head in it first. Come in, the water's...
It was like Scooby-Doo.
The water's fine. It's just a really big haven.
I'm here. Ah. This is sick.
Okay, don't try and climb that. Unless you want to.
Try and climb.
Yeah.
That was easy, what are you doing?
Oh, no, did you do that? Both times I tried.
I just did it fast. You're holding the camera, so you got the disadvantage. Yeah, I got the camera. This is cozy.
Okay. I think it's supposed to be down here. Well, we discovered a hole.
You feel pretty climbing out. A bit, I think.
Come on,
I'm sliding.
slide.
How are you getting out?
Oh, my bum's stuck. Alright. It's a bit muddy in there.
It is a bit, isn't it?
It's just a very small, tight Avon. It's quite tall. Victoria Avon.
Oh yeah?
That's Victoria Avon.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's a cracking height.
Oh yes. Lovely.
The night vision camera.
Oh nice.
Wait. Okay, mine's off.
Today we are hunting ghosts.
Goats.
There's a
Ghosts.
Ghosts.
Running ghosts.
Ghosts. I heard that there was actually a boy down here once.
I brought a crate of Budweiser. I've never.
I bought a crate of ghost capture equipment.
Right.
Oh heck.
Would you like to look at my bum?
Habitat underground. Bart spends most of his day pooping.
These are my work colleagues. The lens.
Yeah. You spunked on it.
That's such a great out of context clip.
Goodness me.
I can't. Get my camera out of my face. Hey guys, welcome to the close-up vlog. Today I'm going to tell you about...
Good eye.
The title of this is going to be 3 Idiots Play with a GoPro.
It's got nothing to do with the cave, it's just darkness and then some big faces like this. Oh, why not do this? Let's go! Subscribe.